1, we are sample 3, and my name is Eng, number matrix E23H29XX.
Hi, my name is Ramya and my matrix number is E23H3000.
Hi, my name is Isha. My matrix number is E23H3000.
Hello, my name is Narhaji Damira and my number matrix is E23298. So hi everyone, today I'm going to explain number 1. So we can see here there is a table 1. Okay, there is showing the type of scopes and the kilograms per art. Okay, so question number 1, we are going to find the arithmetic mean. So we are using the formula sum of the x over n. So we put all the value inside, add together, and divide by the number of total. Then we will get the answer of 3166.9 kilogram total. Okay, so for B, we are going to find the sample median. So for this situation, we are going to find the median by using the formula 1 over 2 bracket n over 2 plus n plus 2 over 2. So this is the formula. So we just put and we can find the place of the median. So we calculate, like we arrange back to this sample because it is not a group data, it's an ungrouped data. Okay, so after we arrange, we find that the number 11 is 3248. So we come to C, calculate the distribution mode. So we just need to find the highest value in this sample. So the answer is the fifth, and the value is 4146 kilogram. Okay, B, we need to calculate for the variance of the data. So we are using the formula. Okay, it's like sum of the x squared over n minus 1 because it's a sample, it's our population, minus the mean squared. Okay, so after we put all the value and we divide, and we will get 198,323.57. Okay, option E, they are going to calculate the yard on 31st. That is not inside the table. Okay, so there is at least 3,300 kilogram and less than 3,900 kilograms. Okay, so we have come out with the formula, and we need to add back to the mean that we have before and the answer we have before, and over. Now the number of total is 31 and not 20 anymore. Okay, so we will get the answer that is bigger than or at least 5,962 and less than 18,562.
Okay, so number 2 is we must give the answer for population, sample, parameter, statistic, variable and type of variable. Okay, so for number 2, they only give the sentence. Okay, so based on this sentence, we must come up with all this. So as we all can see, population is what is the total research that we want to do, what we want to count on. Okay, what is the research? So we want to do the research on the students of the UMT Jelly campus. Sample is from that total number, we want to only calculate how many students. So from the students, we want to calculate for 325. And then for the parameter is what we want to calculate from the population. So from the students of UMK Jelly, we want to calculate the number of students. And for statistic is from this 325, what we want to get, what we want to calculate. So the same also the number of students. And then variable, from this data, what we want to get. So the level of awareness. And then what type of awareness, level 1, level 2 or level 3. So that will be our type of variable. Okay, so we can so now we go to number 3. Number 3, they only say that this data is a sample. So for this question, we must use the sample formula. So they say we must calculate the standard deviation of the value. So we must use the formula for standard deviation, which is we must find the mean first, we calculate, and then we must find sum of x squared. And then for standard deviation, we just substitute inside, we must use this formula. And then when we substitute all this value, the mean value, the sum of x squared, we'll get 0.298. So the standard deviation for this question is 0.298. Okay?
For this question number 4, we need to find which mean is more consistent, which mean is more consistent. So we need to find the coefficient of variance of mean A and mean B. So we use the formula standard deviation over mean. As you can see, the mean and standard deviation is already given in the question. So we replace the value in the formula. Then we get the coefficient of variance of mean A, which is 9.21%, and the coefficient of mean B, which is 5.24. So as you can see, the coefficient of mean B is less than coefficient of mean A. So the smaller the coefficient of variance, the higher the consistency. So mean B is more consistent than mean A.
For the question number 5, we use the formula before this. Like mean, we just substitute the number that we given. So the answer is 16. And then for the standard deviation, we use for the formula before also. Then we substitute, then we will get 5.82 standard deviation. Okay. Then next, question 6 has been two group A and group B. We need to find the mean and the standard deviation. So the mean, we use the formula before. For group A, we get 8.4. And the standard deviation, if we use for the population formula, then we get 2.42. For the group B, mean, we get 8.6. And then for the standard deviation, we use the population formula, then we will get 3.56. Then we need to compare which group have more consistent. So we get that group A have more consistent than group B because the value is lower than the group B standard deviation. That's all.
So number 7, we need to find the mean and median first. So for mean, we use the sum of all the values over n, and we get the mean 74.02. And for median, 45 over 2, so we get 22.5. Then we sum both the values 78 plus 78, and then we get the median 78. Okay. And for B, we need to find the standard deviation and use the formula and replace all the values, and we get 37.6, which is the standard deviation. And for question C, we need to find the distribution of the data. Then we use the formula 3 mean minus median over standard deviation and replace the value. We get negative 0.32. So negatively skewed because the Pearson coefficient of skewness is negative, and this is the graph.
Thank you. Bye-bye.